How you doing, guys? So NewBeeDrone sent me this in the mail today. It's the Honey Pagoda Antenna, Left Hand Circular Polarized, and I started to put it together, but I thought I'd make a quick video for some of you who don't know how to do it. So this is a build-it-yourself kit that they have, and it comes basically with 3 panels, the antenna stem, and this bracketing system to put it all together. And let me just demonstrate for you how it's supposed to look, and then I'll put it together, and yeah, we'll see how it actually operates. So first off, you have the little panel here, which goes on this end. And you slide them in like so. So this is the base, this is the middle. And these larger circles will be soldered to the negative end, so this outer sheath here, and then that is the top. You'll slide that in like so. And then the last one will adhere itself or attach itself, so to speak, to the top. And that is the positive pin that you will solder into place. So it'll pretty much look like that when it's all done. And what you also need to know is that this is standard SMA, not RP SMA. So if you have the DJI goggles like I do here, you're going to need one of these SMA to RP SMA adapters. So if you don't have one, go pick them up. I think they're $3 on Amazon, not a big deal. And then you can use your new Pagoda antenna. Alright, I'll put this together and solder it up, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, just one more thing I forgot to mention. So when you're soldering this up, the positive pin is here, but on the back side, this is a negative, this is a negative, and there's even a negative on the top plate that you have to solder to the antenna stem or the coax cable. So make sure you don't forget that. So top pin positive, bottom panel gets soldered to the antenna stem / coax cable negative. Okay? Thanks. Okay, and we're back. I got everything all soldered up and it's ready to be installed. I just had to do one quick thing. The antenna stem was actually too long, didn't fit properly in the provided template here. So I had to take the X-Acto knife. Oh man, now there it goes. So as you can see, it lines up pretty good. But I had to take the X-Acto knife because it was too long and basically fold it on the inside here and make some scratch marks on the antenna stem like so. And then take the wire cutters and then take this piece off the top here because it was just a little bit too long. Pretty easy though, I mean just some standard wire cutters, and the job got done. So now it's time to take the RP SMA adapter to the SMA plug and install them on the goggles. Alright, and that is it. And that is the NewBeeDrone Pagoda Left Hand Circular Polarized Antenna. Thanks guys. Until next time.